Smoke is smelling the air, the odor of fire, the notes of wood, combining tradition with innovation. Smoking is performing an age-old technique, a tool for producing fine cuisine. Welcome to the additional functions from Fagor Professional. In this video, we're going to prepare 2 smoked recipes, barbecued ribs and an Irish coffee. To make smoked ribs in our iKORE oven, we're going to begin by seasoning our ribs. Once that's done, we'll put them on the rack. We'll now put some damp wooden chips in our smoker, which will help us boost the flavour and character of our dish. To prepare the oven, we'll go to the additional functions and select smoking. For this recipe, we're going to smoke pork in heat, and we'll select ribs. We'll add the smoker when the oven tells us, with it connected to the single-phase electrical outlet. We'll then turn it on and put in the ribs. Our iKORE also tells us when to insert the easy sensor in the meat to ensure that we cook it to the desired level. iKORE will then inform us when it's time to remove the smoker to continue with the smart cooking process. Do not forget to disconnect the smoker. Once iKORE has finished the smart cooking process, we will glaze the ribs with barbecue sauce, and then they will be ready to serve. We're going to serve the ribs alongside an Irish coffee with smoked milk. To do this, we'll begin by smoking the milk in the oven. We'll put some small, slightly damp wood chips in the smoker and then use the additional functions on our iKORE. We'll select cold smoking this time, as it's for milk. We connect the smoker to the chassis, add a tray of ice, and then finally put in the milk. Next, we're going to mix the Irish whiskey with brown sugar and flambe it. We'll then pour this mixture into a glass and add the espresso coffee. It's now time for the smoked sheep's milk, which will give our Irish coffee a bit of character. We will finally emulsify the milk in a cocktail shaker. And our Irish coffee is now ready to enjoy.